Hey everyone, this is Priya and today I am going to show you how to draw a couple picture. So for that I have already drawn the outline using grid method with mechanical pencil. So let's start and first I will do the hair portion. So for that I need a charcoal pencil and I will cover the whole hair with charcoal pencil. And now I'm blending the charcoal pencil with a dry brush, that is the makeup brush. And now shading the face using HB pencil of outline for a smooth tone and blending with dry brush, same used in here. And in the dark areas like eyebrows, ears, nose, eyes, all of these I will cover with charcoal pencil of Camley with soft one. And for a small area in eye section I used a mechanical pencil and blending with paper stump. And right now I'm using A3 size paper. A short reminder for you, I will give you the names of materials used in the last of this video which I have used in this sketch, and don't worry about it. So now let's move to the cheeks area, and I'm shading the cheeks with HB pencil of outline, and in lip area same using that HB pencil and blending it with a dry brush. Doing the dark highlights with Camley charcoal pencil, as earlier I have told, like in your ears, nose, and a dark shade on the lips. And in light dark area I used a 5-bay pencil of Brustro Graphite pencil. So finally the face area is completed of both of the guys, and by using that materials which I have already told you, and by shading and everything which I am just given you. So let's move to the neck area, and shading with the same pencil as the of outline, and in dark area I'm just using 5B pencil Brustro, so you can get it right that I'm using only 3 pencils like Brustro Graphite pencil of 5B, and outline pencil of HB, and last one is circle pencil of Camden. Yeah, so well I am shading with brush, and for smooth shading I am always using the brush. So you also, if you want to blend a smooth shading, then you can use a makeup dye brush. Like I have already told you that in a light area I will use HB pencil of outline, and in a small dark area I will use the 5B pencil of Brustro Graphite pencil. So using these materials and blending with brush, so we will do it first in the neck area, and using mechanical eraser also for giving the highlights. So in a very dark area like, or in a large area, I'm using always charcoal powder which is homemade, and I made it from the charcoal stick, and I am drawing this Mangal Sutra using a charcoal pencil of Camley. Now let's move to the sari section, and in a very dark area I am using the charcoal pencil for doing these steps, and accidentally this sketch is damaged by my brother, so I will try to recover it. So let's do the sari, and I'm using the charcoal pencil that is lead baked, and just blending it with a brush and giving the highlights with a electric eraser and a mechanical eraser also, and yeah, you can see it. I will give you a review video on the electric eraser, that's how I have felt it, and the price and how to use it and everything. Okay, and now just I'm trying to recover the page that is damaged by my brother. He spit some water drops on my paper. So coloring the background with HB of outline, and slowly I'm just doing it, and I will blend it with tissue paper, so you will see it. So in a uniform direction I am just doing it. So I will cover the whole background with this HB pencil. So let's do it fastly, and I will do it in the same direction and in the whole background. In the corner I will do it dark and just blending it with the tissue paper. So finally now it's done, and thank you so much for watching.
About how you were with my parents, yeah, and changed their mind. Cause you were sweet and looking like you cared, boy, that was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these feelings